Perfect. So we have prepared object, event request and client, and now we are going to create a new object item, which will be like uh, catering, motor cards, tickets, paintball, and so on. So the result is, should be, that in event request we will have a table with those items, and right next to the title of the item we will have status, if it is prepared, not, if it is done, and so on. All right, let's go to create a new object item. Add object line. Yeah. Perfect. So let's go to administration, into objects, and let's create a new object for company Y company Ltd for master data, and we call it item, right? Okay, just save. Create a new template. Template will be called default. We can use the same workflow as usual, and that's it. So save and close. And now add some lines, and I will show you how to add lines to the 100% white. Yeah? You don't have to add the left column, but Xilo automatically generates few columns or few tabs on the right side, like history and so on. So whenever you add tabs on the right side, you will see a 100% white. And we add a new tab. We call it, as usual, information. Add section general. And here we need to add a new text box called item identifier. Let's add it as set width to 4, and right next to add a new text box called name of the type of that item, set width as 8, and now I take a look what we need to add. Yeah, and a price, all right. So we have item identifier name, and we can add a price as a number underneath. So at the price, set width as a 4, and you can set obviously a number separator. So for example, space, it means just a separator when you have thousands or millions. So there is within 3 digits there is some separator, yeah. And then precision we would like to have, okay, 0. Min max you can set. Min obviously it's 0. Max could be, I don't know, 2 millions. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. That's it. And what do we need to do? You already know that. Exactly. In user management, add a template for a particular object. So let's go to administration, scroll down to user management, to users, choose particular user, and in access details, you need to add an item default template, right? Okay, now we can create an item. So let's go to user environment and let's create an item. Here we go. We have a new object item in master data. Just open it, click on plus, and you can add a new item. I am going to add validation for those object lines. It's the last thing what I'm going to do within the step. So let's go to administration, into object, into item, and here in lines, just need to specify a new template line, and here just a validation. So for example, item identifier will be mandatory, name will be mandatory as well, and price will be mandatory conditional. And let's type ID 18, which is name. If it is filled, so we would like to have price as mandatory, right? So if ID 18 like, not like empty string, it will be mandatory. That's it.